Welcome back to Italy Yango channel. This is Lily and I will be your host today. I'm in Bangkok and now I'm at ICP Flower Hosting Market. So let's go and check. So beautiful. Oh, I saw the noodle shop. So let's try this. This shop is running by two grandma. The noodle looks so delicious, right? And maybe there's a hidden recipe. Yeah. Okay, let's try this. Except with pork meatball. Not bad. The taste is a little bit sweet and I can feel the taste of chicken. Maybe chicken soup. Yeah. Okay. How taste the noodle is. It's a little bit hot. And they give me the chili powder, a little bit, and sauce, chili sauce and sour sauce, a little bit sour, and also what is it? This is maybe sugar. No sugar. Look at this. It's maybe homemade meatball. Yeah, it's really delicious. I think the meatball may be famous. The price is only 60 baht, so which costs around 1.5 dollar. The price is reasonable price, not too expensive and not too cheap, just normal. This is a flower they donate to pagoda or something. Yeah. So, rose. Orchid. That's a very kind of orchid. I think this flower crown is more beautiful. Color, purple. Okay. Wow.
How much?
How much? 200.
$5.
Yeah, this is around 200 baht, so which costs around $5. Not bad. This shop is really beautiful. They make flower boutique, and they say. Okay, there's a food stand here. Let's go. Which one? Which one? Okay, I choose the fruit. This one. It may be delicious. How much? 50. 50. Yeah. Now I bought jackfruit and the price is 50 baht, so which costs around over $1. And look at this, I will try one. I wish it will be sweet. Yeah. Yes. It's really sweet and juicy. Yeah. Okay, let me stop my video here, and if you want to know more about this ICV flower wholesale market, you can watch in this video from our sister channel Easily Bangkok. Bye bye guys, see you in that video.